Now, how do we secure the sale? So now you got the application, you got a void check. Okay, so we're getting ready to have the door, and we want to secure the sale. So we want to explain the process and what they can expect moving forward. And that's kind of how I lock it down, right? So, so as you wrap this thing up, we're going to secure the sale. I'm getting ready to leave the house, and I'm going to say, Jack and Jill, let me explain to you what the next steps are, what's going to happen moving forward, right? This should take the company about 4 to 5 weeks to make a final decision and actually underwrite the policy. At that moment, they're going to draft the first month's premium, and they're also going to issue a policy, which is your contract between the insurance company and you. They'll mail it out. Some companies will mail it out. Some will mail it to me. Either way, when you get the policy, either I'm going to bring it to you or you can call me when you receive it. I'd like to come back out with you and kind of go over the policy, make sure you fully understand your coverages, right? If anybody tries to replace this product, come in here and try to say something a little cheaper, there's a reason why it's cheaper. They're leaving something out because we don't negotiate the rates. They're set by the insurance company. Typically speaking, if there's a lesser price, they're leaving something out. So I want you to fully understand the policy that you have in their hands. I'm talking about the draft date that they've chosen. Those when the premium will be coming out, right? There is a possibility of a phone interview. I'm going to explain that to them and make sure they understand to only answer the questions that are asked, not to go into great detail. There's a possibility of a decline or maybe even being rated in table A, B, C, or D, which can substantially change the price of the product, right? I'm going to talk to them about that. I've done my due diligence. I believe that they'll qualify at whatever it is, and just make them aware that we may have to move to a different product in the event that they are declined and or rated. Then I'm going to leave my business card and any required forms with them, and then I'm going to eliminate the competition, right? I'm going to instruct the client not to respond to any more notices that they receive in the mail, and I'm going to tell them to disregard any future phone calls regarding mortgage protection, simply because it's going to raise red flags that they already have a policy pending with another carrier. So I want to inoculate and eliminate my competition. All right, so that kind of wraps up this video on the in-home presentation outline. Hopefully that kind of helped you get, some balance in your in-home presentation. Something I believe that you have to have a system. I believe you can't be willy-nilly and doing something different in the home every time, because if you have something you're doing that you can, some sort of a formal script or an outline that you can go through every single time you're in a home, if things kind of get off track, you can go back to when you were successful. If you do things differently every time, you got no idea when you're not making the sales as to what really you've changed that's caused that to happen. So that's why I believe in following a specific in-home presentation every single time. I might alter it slightly based on the type of product that I'm selling, whether it be final expense, whether it be mortgage protection, but typically being able to follow a system is what matters. Again, my name is Steve Houston. You know, on this channel we discuss the facts, we provide documentation, we allow you to decide. The disclaimer is that we are agency owners ourselves with another IMO. We don't talk about the IMO on the channel, so don't ask me in the comment section. And the reason why is because I really want this channel to have value to everybody that may be struggling in the industry, that I might be able to help break through. Whether or not they join us, we are obviously building our own agency. We do talk to people every single day about joining our agency. Not everybody qualifies. It's not a fit for us to work together with everybody. But listen, if you have any interest at all in joining this incredible industry, I think the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years is going to be fantastic with the different products we have today that we didn't have 30 years ago in the mortgage protection and final expense area, as well as the exploding advanced market. If you have any interest, or maybe you're with another IMO already and struggling for whatever reason, there are differences, major differences between the IMOs. I discussed that in my video. Go watch. It's not just a sign-up thing, or is your IMO following the 10 commandments, and you'll have an idea of what to ask your recruiter or IMO, so you're making a good, qualified, educated decision on the IMO that you're either with or going to join, right? So again, if you're new to the industry, we would love to talk to you. If you are with somebody else and there's an opportunity for us to work together, certainly give us a call, shoot us a text, or emailing us. Look, maybe you just want to be involved with an IMO and an agency that has, training and support system in place like no other agency out there. We're hands-on with our agents all through their training We're hands-on in every case they work, and we're hands-on and available to help them in the home, even talking to the clients. That's the kind of hands-on I believe that all agents need, new or old. There comes a time when maybe you can't answer something, and we man the phones for that very reason. As well as an IMO that has nationwide training that goes on, local, regional, and national trainings as well, and you can call the home office. So if you're looking for that kind of organization, agency and an IMO, I think they both make a difference, then again, give us a call, right? Look, we're not recruiters that go out there every single day and tell you what you should be doing. We put the uniform on, we go out, we put our name on the applications just like you do. It's not a do as I say business to us, it's a do as I do business to us. And we prove that, I believe, with our staff here in the office and the amount of time we spend on the phone. We are vested in your success. We lock arms with you 150% and give it all we got, because I believe all ships rise at a tide, but you got to be anchored to the boat. Mentoring and coaching is a big deal. So to find out more about us, like I said, give us a text, shoot us an email, give us a phone call, and we can have that discussion and figure out if we're a fit to work together. Look, our contact information is below in the description. We hope that we've helped you today by this in-home presentation script or outline. Look, if you like the video, do me a favor. There's a lot of agents out there that are stuck with places they can't get training. They go 3 or 4 levels up. No one's ever sold anything. I had it happen several times last week where agents called me and said, I was in a home, not in our agency, with another IMO. And so they say, I don't know what to do. I'm in a home. I call my upline, which I can't stand, and it says, I need help. And well, I can't help you. I've never sold an application. Well, how long have you been with the company? 4 months. Okay, let me talk to your upline. Get that guy on the phone, and he's been in the business for 3-4 years, but he's a recruiter. I don't sell. How dare me, actually work? I'm playing the lottery. I'm hoping that you'll come work for me, and I'll strike gold. That's not who we are. I don't like that system and don't believe in that system. So we're here to help everybody, and we are vested in your success. We go out, like I said, every single day. So share the video out is my point, because there are agents out there that need the help, and if you share the video out, it gets more traction, more people get to see it. Also hit the subscribe button. We'd be grateful. Hit the bell below. Hit that bell hard. Mash it, and you'll get instant notifications of our new live streams every Wednesday that we're going to be doing to help you out with product selection, underwriting. Angela's tips is really taking off, where she's going to take a different topic every week and help you with your underwriting, right? So let me just say this. I'm grateful that you found our videos to be helpful. I love the phone calls that I get from just people that are with other IMOs that are not coming over here, and we don't even have that discussion. But just to say, hey, listen, your video changed my career. Your video really helped me here. I love those kind of messages, because it lets me know that the time we spend in the studio, all the equipment we're spending, we're buying more equipment to kind of, jazz it up a little bit, make it a little bit more professional, keeping it real and authentic, but making it a little more professional, better lighting, that kind of stuff. It makes me know that what we're doing is having an impact. And that means something, because there's a camera sitting in front of me right now, and you're on the other side of it. And I can't see your emotions or whether or not you're really getting any value out of this. So an email or a text or a phone call really gives me energy to do more of these, and it takes a lot of work. But again, if it's impacting people, I want to continue to do it. So have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Bye-bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well, and subscribe to the channel. That also helps the videos get out there too. Bye-bye now.